10 Most Unique Bedroom Design Ideas for Low Space. The bedroom is everyone's sanctuary. You need to have a bedroom where you can relax and feel the best at home without compromising the aesthetic despite the low space. Here we have a few ideas which you can use to design a perfect bedroom for yourself if you don't have the luxury of a lot of space. List of 10 most unique bedroom design ideas. 1. Shelving. Shelving is the best option for a low-space bedroom. If you are a bibliophile or have a lot of books/magazines to keep, it is perfect to add shelves against the walls. It is not necessary to use the shelves to store books, you can also use them to add small plants and even photo frames and decoratives to enhance the beauty of the bedroom. 2. Bed with storage. A bed with storage is something everyone should focus on. They are an amazing option to get more space without adding extra furniture. Storage beds come in various designs and are so subtle that sometimes it's not even noticed that there is space to store things. With so many options in storage beds like side drawers, foot of the bed drawers, under bed storage, and so on, it is pretty easy to find the one that both fits your aesthetic and your required space. 3. Go with lighter colors. Light colors naturally elevate space and brightness. A white bedroom could be aesthetically perfect when paired with dark accessories and furniture. A light-colored room should always be paired with a dark accented bed, table lamp, and even dark curtains, all put together, elevating the room both aesthetically and in a sense of space. Using graphic designs also can give the illusion and make the room seem bigger. Along with this, if you want something different, then you can never go wrong with wallpapers. Light-colored wallpaper is a perfect way to enhance the beauty of the room along with making it feel more spacious and aesthetically pleasing. 4. Use foldable pieces. Foldable furniture is the best thing to use when you have a shortage of space in your living place. They are more compatible pieces to keep and very easy to store when there is no use for them. Imagine you suddenly need a chair to sit on, something different, but unfortunately, have no space to keep in your room. You can never go wrong with foldable chairs. If you're working or even a student and you need your work/study station to be in your room sometimes, you can always bring in your foldable chairs and tables for the day and then easily move them away after their use. 5. Mounted lamps. If you live in a small place, the wall is your best friend. Apart from using the wall to mount shelves and pictures, you can also mount lamps for better use. Floor lamps and table lamps are unnecessary to add ons to the space clutter. If you have a small bedroom, decluttering should always be the top priority, and mounted lamps are the best solution for it. Mounted lamps help bring the splash of a bohemian aesthetic and make your bedroom cozier. Along with this, it is also very adjustable, fitting right into the comfort. 6. Cozy beds. There might be a chance of you not having much space in your room because of big beds or your beds being in the center of the room. If you have this problem, then do for a cozy corner bed or tuck them against one wall of the room. Tucking up the bed against a wall or corner maximizes the floor plan and in process making the sleeping area feel snugger. 7. Mirrors. A mirror is always something people tend to focus least on and in many cases outright neglect them. The mirror can be a secret weapon, especially for those with low space in their bedrooms. Mirror most importantly amplifies light and transforms your space to make it seem bigger than it actually is. With adding drama and fantastic frame views, you have multiple options to check out and choose your perfect mirror for the bedroom depending on your aesthetic. 8. Don't forget the ceiling. While decorating a low-space bedroom, it is essential to clever all available surfaces, which also includes the ceiling. Adding a unique chandelier and even floating lights is a perfect way to give cozy and aesthetic vibes to your bedroom. You can also add ceiling artwork to make use of most of the space in contrast to the color of the wall. 9. Wardrobe with sliding doors. When you barely have space in your room to fit in a full-size closet, resulting in almost no room left to walk around when open, go for the wardrobes with sliding doors. Wardrobes with an open door system take up more space when it's open, which as a result will make walking around difficult when you are rummaging through it. Sliding door wardrobe gives you that extra space to walk around when open without having to squeeze in between the doors. 10. Multiple use furniture. Get creative. We already told you about the bed with storage. But that is not where the miracle of architecture stops. There are multiple pieces of furniture which you can use for multi-purpose in your bedroom. There are sitting stools with storage inside of it which can be a perfect addition to a bedroom. You can also use the study table as an ironing board and smart couch which adapts to your shape. For example, industrial design students from New Zealand invent a smart couch that adapts to you. A smart couch. Imagine a seat so comfortable that it suits you closely through all your fidgeting and moving around. No need for imagination. A seat that comfortable is a reality called Lulek. Lulek is a flexible seat that fits you perfectly by moving along with you. That flexibility is possible with its freebase. Made up from a simply arched frame with fabric upholstery and spongy green florets, this invention is the great work of students in New Zealand. Designed to respond to the movement of the user, the arch base rolls smoothly as the user transitions from one position to another. That was an example of industrial design smart couch, which is best for your small room feel larger and functional. There are a lot of options out in market. You can choose by your own choice. Use all the available surfaces to add on things that are required but do not overcrowd the room. Minimal is always more. Conclusion. It may sometimes seem like you don't have enough space in your bedroom. Those are the times when you need to get creative and make use of what you have. There are plenty of styles to make that limited space work and make your bedroom perfect. A cozy bedroom is better than a large cold one. The key to making your bedroom perfect with the space you have is to find your aesthetic and word around it. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope it will help you in making and transforming your space design.